Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all doing well and ready to learn something new. Today we will cover why manual testing cannot be fully replaced with automation. So if you hesitate to enter this field and start working as a manual tester, you definitely should watch this video to learn a little more about this profession and why it plays such an important role in the software development lifecycle. Manual testing is cheaper and can give results almost immediately after starting the work. Automated testing cannot fully satisfy the requirements of the user interface and cannot provide a prompt feedback as a manual tester does. It can be useful in testing applications with a large number of functions. Automation systems are necessary to facilitate daily tasks, but they cannot fully replace testers as specialists. How will this profession change in the next 5 to 10 years? Of course, automation testing will become a very important skill if you want to start working in IT as a tester. Manual testing is not going anywhere. Its volume as a percentage of a total testing volume will remain the same or even grow higher. But testers need to know programming in order to work effectively in a team. At the same time, automation testing does not mean reducing the role in this process as you might have heard. In addition, there are cases where it is unnecessary to use automated testing. For example, UI interface, usability, or accessibility testing. Automatic tests will be unable to determine exactly whether program is working or not. There are many examples where each iteration cannot be completed without manual testing. Otherwise, the number of bugs will accumulate and rise. Therefore, continuous manual testing is very important to create a quality product that meets all stakeholders' requirements. Therefore, we can say that with the development of automated testing, the manual testing will not disappear. For example, if we're talking about when a new feature or product comes out, it is a need to test it manually. It is important to figure out how it works, which test cases should be prioritized, and whether they are working or not. And it will always be so. With each new feature or change made, there will be always a manual verification stage, and only then the scripts will be automated. Why is it so difficult to replace people with automation systems? People for testing will no longer be needed if the programs will learn how to write themselves. However, even this does not guarantee 100% elimination of manual testing. Often, a testing should be completed in a short period of time, and requirements are not always clear. This usually happens in projects that use agile development methodology. The team is forced to compromise between the quality and the speed of releasing new parts of the application. In such circumstances, tester will need to assess all testing risks and assume continuous analysis of the test coverage. Given the fact that each project has its own set of priorities and quality criteria, there will be always a certain set of risks and consequences. And if the criteria will change, the quick reassessment of tasks is required. All this is difficult to accomplish only with automated testing. Therefore, we will need testers who will take this responsibility. 4 reasons why robots cannot replace testers. The introduction of automation testing technology can be afforded fairly large companies who have their own staff or can hire third-party testing company. Financial constraints for medium-sized businesses play a very important role. One human tester is significantly cheaper than one automated model. A complete replacement of a manual tester is only possible with a complete replacement of a software development with automation. Therefore, testing and development specialists will be in demand, but knowledge of the programming language and automation skills is a required skill to enter this field. Automation technologies can only be applied to limited tasks. It is not yet possible to create an automation testing model where you can get information about all errors. In any case, the work of a tester should be controlled by a person. There is no need to worry about the complete replacement of specialists with artificial intelligence. The QA role is one of the immortal IT professions with a great potential. Therefore, if robots have to program robots, as long as they're humans, someone will have to test all these devices and applications in terms of adapting to human use. Even the most advanced robots cannot replace humans, because testing requires a lot of analysis and high-quality human participation. So guys, if you watched this till the end, I think you are pretty convinced that manual testing is still in a high demand. If you want to learn more about IT and new technologies, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We'll see you soon!